Oh, hello everyone. Good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your PC work faster. I have some easy tricks. Kind of magic here. Uh, to do that, you need to clean your remove your temporary files. I'm gonna show you here right now. So type storage setting like storage setting like this one, and when you see temporary files here, I click here temporary files, and see I got 28.6 GB temporary files so I what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all those. Just click remove. So remove, continue. Okay, after that cmd uh, command prompt and run as a administrator. Say yes and type sfc and scan and ow scan now, sfc scan now, and hit enter. This take little bit time, maybe it depend on your internet connection. Once this one completed, then uh, I will just go here and restart the PC, and after that you try your PC, you feel like your laptop work so good. Thank you.